Hey guys, today I'm making these plantain crepes, just an alternative to regular crepes. I'm going to peel and chop these plantains and add them to my blender. And this is just if you want to omit flour out of your crepes and just try something different. These plantain crepes are delicious. I highly recommend them. Now we're going to add 4 egg whites to our blender. We're also going to add a 1/4 cup of water and a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And we're going to give that a blend until you get a batter type consistency. And here's our batter. Now we're just going to pour it out into a bowl to make it easier to pour them into our pan to make our crepes. I'm going to heat up my pan and add some of this coconut spread. Add a little bit of that and add 3 tablespoons of the batter. And I'm just going to spread it out using the back of my spoon. And you can make them as big as you like. You're just going to get less, or as small as you want and you might get more. I got about 4 out of this batter. And you're going to cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until the top kind of looks like it's going to dry out. And you will know because when you flip it, it'll be golden brown. These are more flimsy than the regular crepes because the regular crepes have flour, so it's easier to flip them around. But these are like I don't know, a softer consistency. And there you go. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and talk to you guys next video. Bye.